Hey guys, this is Joe. This is a fucking blizzard outside. I haven't made a video in a while. I'm just letting you guys know I'm still here. I'm not dead. And that's my fucking dog. You can hear her. She's being a bitch. She's like, I want to come out and pay you. No, yeah, it's a fucking dog. Yeah, my neighbor's doing that. I was using my rollerblades a couple minutes ago. My dad said I don't want to break a fucking leg, so I don't want to break a fucking leg. I'm just gonna avoid that. Holy shit, my screen's getting fucking wet. I'm gonna angle it so it doesn't get as wet. Holy fuck. Oh, my lips are fucking gross. Oh my god, this is fucking snow. Just snow. And I'm sick. So that's the fucking bomb diggity. Motherfucker. My dog took a shit in the snow. It's gonna be a shitsicle. I don't know. Standing in this alcove. Shit. Let's walk around. I guess I'm wearing hunting boots. It's all I fucking have. Don't fucking patronize me, motherfuckers. My eyebrows are all fucked up. So great. Ladies expecting good haircuts and shit. I gotta get my haircut. It's nice, but not my eyebrows. Fuck the people at the mall. They fucked up my eyebrows pretty bad. Oh god. These are fucking... I can see her from the fucking gate. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn it. I stepped on something under the snow to scare the shit out of me. That's great. It's doing great. I don't know how long I'll make this video. It's gonna be pretty long, I guess. Just an update. I'm gonna try to stream eventually. I don't know how to fucking put Twitch and shit. If anybody can tell me, just put it in the description. I mean, the fucking comments. Jesus Christ. Stupid. But yeah. It's snowing outside and shit. And there's little kids singing. It's my pea coat. It's very comfortable. Fuck, it is cold. I mean, really. It is cold out. It's pretty fucking cold. So yeah. And that's my dog again. She's like, I wanna come out and play with you. I'm like, no dog, you can't come out and play with me. I mean, yeah. Sit Blizzard 2015 right here. It's fucking huge. We're at the Super Bowl. That was fucking crazy. Super Bowl commercials, Jurassic Park, World thing. New Star Wars trailer, I guess. I don't know, I didn't see it. I missed a good amount of them because I was playing video games, Warfare mostly, which is great on Xbox One. Not sponsored. So, Microsoft, please don't flag this video. Maybe I can get an ad on this. Microsoft, yeah, it'd be great. But yeah, I'm starting to get cold. So I'm probably gonna head inside. You should too if you're out here like a fucking moron. Trying to shovel. Just wait until this shit's done, okay? Don't fucking go out in the middle of the storm like, oh, I'll shovel this. 15 minutes later, put more snow. And then you'll be out here constantly shoveling. Okay. Well, I gotta go. Bye.